Hey my YouTube friends, allenpallen here. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, we're going to be doing a little DIY luxury skincare from the comfort of our own homes. Because chances are, you're probably stuck there. It's gonna be so lit! Alright, we're gonna get things started by preparing our face scrub. This particular recipe calls for a half a cup of sugar. You guys know me, and I don't measure. The sugar is going to act as our exfoliant. It's going to remove dirt, debris, and dead skin. Ew. So pretty much half my face. Next, we're going to go on with a little honey. Honey is so wonderful because it helps fight acne and it has anti-aging properties. Hello, Mr. Bear. Can I have my honey, please? Oh, yeah. This is a thick boy. Perfect. Next, we're going to go in with a little extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is great for adding moisture to the skin and preventing future damage. You know, like free radicals and whatnot. This is a must-have for me since my life is full of damage. Let's add a little drop-a-roo. Our final ingredient is lemon juice. This is very high in vitamin C. It helps tighten the face and offers a great brightening effect. Fruit Ninja. Yeah! Yes, beach. And there you have it. You just made your own facial scrub. And next on the agenda, we're going to prepare our own mocha face mask. We're going to start off our next concoction with cocoa powder. Cocoa powder helps promote new cell growth while firming the skin. What more could you really ask for? I guess we're using that much. For our next ingredient, we have coffee. Coffee has been known to boost collagen and even out your skin tone. From dark circles to sunspots to redness, you name it. This recipe is actually a great way to repurpose your coffee grounds. You by no means have to use fresh coffee. Our final ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and it adds intense hydration to your skin. It makes it soft, smooth, and bouncy. Okay. We got it open. We're going to pop this bad boy in the microwave and I'll be right back. Now that our oil has been melted, let's blend it into the mixture. I am so hungry. Why it gotta look like brownies? I'm going to set this mixture aside and we can move on to our final recipe. You get in there. Ugh. For our final little spa day moment, I'm going to be making a 2-ingredient hair mask. Our first ingredient is avocado. Aside from adding moisture, it has been known to strengthen the hair follicle and possibly stimulate hair growth. And to accompany that, we have ourselves a good old ripe banana. Honestly, the riper, the better. Bananas are great for nourishing the scalp. They can also help mend all your split ends. And then you just simply mash it together. To use our facial scrub, we're going to start off by dampening our face with a wet cloth. And then we can take a generous amount of our face scrub. After massaging the mixture onto my face, I'm going to let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. After removing the mixture, your face should feel clean and exfoliated. don't forget to get your lips. And up next, we have our Mocha face mask. Just like the face scrub, don't be afraid to use a generous amount. Be very careful, this will stain your clothes and possibly your hair. And speaking of hair, we're gonna go in with our luxury hair mask. And if your hair is fried like mine, this will probably do you wonders. Ooh, it's really chunky still. Ugh. This one would actually work better if you used a blender. I can feel it working already. I'm gonna leave both mixtures on for about 20 minutes, and then I'm hopping straight in the shower. Once your face has been thoroughly rinsed, do not be afraid to use your favorite beauty oils or serums. In effort to waste not, want not, I am going to be storing the remaining mixture in the fridge to use the rest of the week. In you go! I hope you guys had just as much fun watching today as I did filming this video. Honestly, it was a blast. My skin is very supple and nice, and I am relaxed to the max. It was really nice to wash my hair for once and have it feel like hair instead of chewed up plastic. I'm very pleased with how everything turned out and performed. 10 out of 10, would do it again. Please let me know down below if you have ever tried DIY skincare. Also, let me know which of these recipes was your favorite. My two favorite were the hair and the face mask. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!